Today we are going to learn the circumscribe a circle of polygon by using angle method. Circumscribe is nothing but outside. We are going to draw the different shapes of polygon at the outside of a circle. I am taking the value of radius 20, diameter 40 also same. Based on the radius value, draw the circle. Then draw the tangent line at the bottom of the circle. That is the base line of the object. For triangle, after draw the circle, place the protractor at the center, take 30° both side. From the center point, extend the line that will be intersect with the base line of triangle. We make a corner name A and B is a base of the triangle. After finding A and B of the base, join the line, then measure the value of AB as a radius using compass. Make an arc above the circle from point B as well as point A. That is the point C. So we have to join AC and BC. Both lines must touch the circle. That is a tangent to the circle. AC and the BC should be tangent to the circle. Next, square. Based on the radius value, draw the circle. Then place the protractor. Take 45° both sides. Then extend the line from the midpoint that will be intersecting the tangent line. We will get the shape of AB. This is the easiest method. You can draw 4 tangent line, you will get the shape of square also. Then measure the value of AB. Cut an arc on the tangent line from point B, from point A. Then join CD, join BC and AD. Finally, join the CD also. For pentagon, same value. Place the protractor at the center. Take 54° both sides to find the base of the pentagon. So extend the line from the midpoint that will be intersecting the tangent line. We will get the base AB. Note down the value of AB. Jointed. Then draw the tangent line from A and B. You can use the protractor 72° also. You can get the tangent line. Measure the value of AB. Make an arc on the respective side. CE. Join the line of BC and AE. Then the same radius value, make an arc on the top of the circle from both sides. That is point D. Join CD and AE. That tangent line also should touch the circle. That's it. For the hexagon, place a protractor at the center. Take 60° both sides to find the base of the hexagon. Make a point. From the midpoint, if you extend it, that will be intersecting the tangent line. We will get the base of AB. Join AB. Then draw the tangent line from A and B. You can use protractor 60° also. Measure the value of AB. Make an arc from A. Similarly from point B also. That is the 2 consecutive base line. C, F. Join the value of BC and AF. Place the protractor at F. For the tangent line, take 60 degree. Similarly, place the protractor at C. Make a point at 60 degree to draw a tangent line. Based on the point, extend the line. Then make an arc on the respective side. We will get the another 2 points. Then give the name D, E. Join CD and EF. Then join ED. That's it. So you just kept the mind. Circumscribe means you are going to draw the object outside of your circle. Use different values.